Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just wanted to show you this spare bedroom that we have. So I know the carpet is disgusting, it's dirty, but I mean, it'll work. So this is what this little room looks like. I still have a few stuff there that I need to take out. This stuff over here. And then we do have a bathroom. So here's an overview of the room. And so what we are gonna do here is set up for our new online learning, like a little classroom. So let me just show you a few things that we have purchased. This little stool. We already had these two IKEA tables. I do have a bunch of school supplies, and I do have my daughter, my two nieces, and we also gonna have a few other little girls here. So this is where we're gonna be learning. So for right now, this is everything that I have purchased from Target. This paper tray, folders, these book thingies, these big bins, these things, individual pencil things. We do have some dry erase boards. We also have more school supplies in here. We do have some disinfecting wipes and some of these. And we do have some hand sanitizers from Bath and Body Works. So we do have a lot of those. I ordered a few of those there. We do have pencils, Sharpies, Expo markers. So a bunch of stuff. So this is going to be our big setup right here. I am going to be needing another table over there. Over here, I am going to put my desk and have my computer and my printer here. And then I did buy this dry erase board from Target. I did buy this cute picture frame from Hobby Lobby. It was 66% off. And I bought this cute little ladder shelf or little rack thingy with these cute buckets. And I do plan on using it for pencils and, you know, just make it cute. So I am going to be fixing this. Let me just bring it over here. So what I do need is some chairs. I still need to figure that out. But look at, guys, look at this. Isn't that cute? We just did random. We didn't even do the planets in order or anything. We just did it random. But I'm just so happy of, you know, with the way it turned out, that wall. And I just hope the girls get inspired and not bored in this room. And I do want to make it homey for them. And I do want to make it a little fun for them. I did buy these bean bags at Ross. So I purchased 2 of these. So these are perfect. These are going to be perfect for the reading nook that I'm going to put over here. So I am going to get some curtains, of course, and take this stuff out, vacuum everything, clean everything good, add the chairs. But this is just what this room looks like. So yeah, when I'm done with the room, I will give you another tour of the finished classroom. All right, guys, sorry for the short video, but stay tuned for the finished room tour or classroom tour. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this will be used as a classroom for our online learning activities and for the girls to just have a room. Like I said, if you guys have an extra room, you know, make it into a classroom, because I mean, you just want them to be comfortable You want them to feel special. You want them to feel, you know, in a classroom setting. You want them to feel, you know, okay because of everything that's going on. You know, they miss their friends. They miss being in an actual classroom. They miss their teachers. So I'm trying my best to make it fun for them. So yeah, so this is what it looks like, guys. If you do not have an empty room in your house, then do your best. Find a little corner in your house and just make it fun for them. You know, add things that they love, add things, you know, that will make them feel special. I did pick up, let me show you real quick. I did pick up some little recognition badges or certificates at the dollar spot. I did pick up these big things that are those inspirational quotes. I did get this at the Target dollar spot. It says, "Look what I made." I plan to display their art, their stuff. I got this one. So I am going to have a treasure box for them because that's what they have at their school. I got this one, and it's just 30 unique designs. Like I said, I am gonna have a treasure box for them because at school that's what they do at their school. So I did buy some of these plastic chips, and at the end of the day, you know, I will give them one or to see how they're doing, and you know, depending on how they're doing, I will reward them with this and see if they can pick out something from the treasure box for that day. I did buy the bulletin border, this one right here. I got this one at the Target. I also got this. It just says, "Welcome, today is the date," and the weather and all that stuff. I have another pack, and this is the ABCs. So I do plan on putting it on this wall over here. This is just an empty wall. And so I'm gonna decorate it with this, and I'm gonna put some white sheets with the borders that I bought. I have a crayon border. I have the United States of America. I have this other thing that it's a dry erase. I have this pencil bulletin border, and I did buy a big calendar. I also got these buckets at Hobby Lobby. They were 66% off, so I only paid $2 for each one. And then my husband purchased these light bulbs that connect to Alexa, so there's that. I got this tape. I don't know why I got it, but I need it for something. And here's our Alexa that I need to connect. And that's my little haul, guys. So stay tuned, like I said, for the next video, which I will be showing the finished classroom at home tour. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little empty, well, it's not so empty because I already did some of the stuff over there, but this empty room tour or classroom tour. So this is what it looks like. This is the entrance. So there's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which I will be showing you our finished room. Bye, guys.